Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech with Deepak. Today we will review about Mahindra XUV300 car. Mahindra XUV300 latest update. Price. The Mahindra XUV300's cost starts from 8.41 rupees lakh and goes till 14.07 lakh, ex-showroom pan-India. Variants. It is available in 4 trims, W4, W6, W8 and W8O. The Turbo Sport version is available on all trims except the base spec W4. Colors. The SUV comes in 3 dual-tone and 7 monotone exterior shades: blazing bronze dual-tone, Napoli black dual-tone, pearl white dual-tone, red rage, aquamarine, pearl white, dark gray, D-sat silver, Napoli black and blazing bronze. Seating capacity. It's a 5-seater subcompact SUV. Boot space. It has a boot loading capacity of 259 liters. Engine and transmission. Mahindra subcompact SUV comes with 3 engine options: a 1.2-liter turbo petrol unit, making 110 PS and 200 Nm, 1.5-liter diesel engine, 117 PS and 300 Nm, and a new 1.2-liter TGDI turbo petrol engine, 130 PS and 230 Nm or up to 250 Nm on overboost. All units are paired with a 6-speed manual, while the diesel engine and the turbo petrol also get a 6-speed AMT option. Features. Features on board the XUV300 include a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a single-pane sunroof and cruise control. The list also includes auto AC and connected car tech. Safety. In terms of passenger safety, it gets up to 7 airbags, ABS with EBD, all-wheel disc brakes, corner braking control, rain-sensing wipers and front and rear parking sensors. Rivals. The XUV300 squares off against the Nissan Magnite, Hyundai Venue, Renault Kiger, Tata Nexon, Kia Sonet and Maruti Suzuki Brezza. Specification of Mahindra XUV300. Array mileage 19.7 kmpl. City mileage 20.0 kmpl. Fuel type diesel. Engine displacement, cc, 1497. No of cylinder 4. Max power 115.05 bhp at 3750 rpm. Max torque 300 Nm at 1500-2500 rpm. Seating capacity 5. Transmission type automatic. Fuel tank capacity 42 liters. Body type SUV.